Hey TouchTruff family! Rocket, we've got some exciting updates about the Galaxy Z Fold 7 that you don't want to miss. If you're eagerly waiting for this next-gen foldable, we've got all the latest details and rumors. Let's dive into what we know so far. Special Edition vs. Galaxy Z Fold 7. Just months after launching the Galaxy Z Fold 6, Samsung introduced the Special Edition SE variant, exclusive to markets like China and South Korea. The Z Fold SE packs several upgrades compared to the globally available Galaxy Z Fold 6. However, don't expect these features to make their way to the next-generation Galaxy Z Fold 7. Renowned leaker Ross Young recently addressed a question on X about whether the Galaxy Z Fold 7 will resemble the Galaxy Z Fold SE. According to Young, that's unlikely. He did note, however, that the next-generation Galaxy Z Fold SE is expected to retain a similar design to the current SE model, which isn't much of a surprise. Special Edition's exclusive upgrades. The Galaxy Z Fold SE comes with significant enhancements over the standard Z Fold 6, such as a wider cover display, a slimmer profile, and improved cameras. Unfortunately, this model remains exclusive to select markets. Many had hoped these improvements would be carried over to the Galaxy Z Fold 7, but that doesn't seem to be the case. Availability and market expansion. There's a chance Samsung might expand the availability of the next-generation Galaxy Z Fold SE to more markets. If this happens, it could come with a higher price tag than the Galaxy Z Fold 7, offering top-tier foldable features to a broader audience. However, there are no leaks or rumors to support this yet. Foldable innovation and competition. Samsung seems to be lagging behind in foldable innovation. Chinese OEMs like Honor and Vivo have leapfrogged Samsung with thinner designs, larger batteries, and better displays. Even Google has stepped into the game with the Pixel 9 Pro Fold. While Samsung is expected to unveil its next-gen foldables in mid-2025, possibly alongside a more affordable Galaxy Z Flip, don't expect groundbreaking upgrades in the next version. Looking forward. Despite the competition, Samsung remains a key player in the foldable market. The company is known for its robust build quality and innovative features. While the Galaxy Z Fold 7 might not include all the upgrades from the SE, it's still anticipated to be a solid contender in the foldable space. Conclusion. What are your thoughts on the potential features of the Galaxy Z Fold 7? Are you excited about the next generation of foldables from Samsung? Share your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video, please like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more updates. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next video. Stay awesome, TouchTruff family. Victory Han.